For this video, I will be discussing three problems from the University Physics Chapter 12, Fluid Mechanics. Problem 12.4, Gold Brick. You win the lottery and decide to impress your friends by exhibiting $1,000,000 cube of gold. At the time, gold is selling for 1,282 per troy ounce, and 1 troy ounce is equals to 31.1035 grams. How tall would your $1,000,000 cube be? You have $1,000,000. Gold is selling for $1,282 per troy ounce. 1 ounce is equals to 31.1035 grams. And the density of the gold is 19.3 times 10 to the third kilogram per cubic meter. So for $1,000,000, you can buy 780.03 ounce or 24.26 kilogram. And now, you're looking for how tall your cube would be. So, in order to get the height, you must first get its volume. The formula for volume is mass over the density, which is 1.257 times 10 to the negative 3 cubic meter. Volume is equal to the side of the cube. So, the side or L is equals to cube root of the volume. So, you'll get 1.08 meters. And that is how tall your cube would be. Problem 12.9. An electrical short cuts off all power to a submersible driving vehicle when it is 30 meters below the surface of the ocean. The crew must push out a hatch area, their 0.75 square meter, and weigh 300 Newton on the bottom to escape. If the pressure inside is 1 atmosphere, what downward force must the crew exert on the hatch to open it? You're given the height or the depth, 30 meters, area of 0.75 square meter, weight, 300 newtons, pressure, 1 atmosphere, and the density of the seawater is 1,030 kg per cubic meter. The pressure of the seawater is equals to its density times gravity times height. And that will give you 302,820 pascals. So your outside force will be 2.27 times 10 to the 5th newtons. The downward force the crew must exert is equals to the buoyant force minus weight. And you'll get 2.27 times 10 to the 5th newtons. Problem 12.28. A slab of ice floats on a freshwater lake. What minimum volume must the slab have for a 45 kilogram woman to be able to stand on it without getting her feet wet? You're given the mass of woman, 45 kilograms, or its weight, 45 times gravity. The density of the ice is equal to 920 grams per cubic meter, and the density of the water is 1,000 grams per cubic meter. The buoyant force is equals to the weight of the woman times the weight of the slab. So, the buoyant force of the water is its density times volume times gravity. The weight of the woman is 45 times gravity, and the density of the ice is and the weight of the ice is its density times volume times gravity. So you can cancel all the gravities out, and using simple algebra, you can compute for its volume, which is 0.5625 cubic meter, and that is the minimum volume the slab must have. for a 45 kilogram woman to be able to stand on it without getting her feet wet. So that's it guys. Thank you for listening.